Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn off the bat. Okay, so stay tuned to find out what this means, but I hope you remembered last week's class because we are going to do a quick review. Okay everyone, so imagine I ask you, hey, did you want to talk to me? And yes, because you wanted to get my opinion on something. So, how do you say that? Using the expression from last week, everyone. I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and that's 5 seconds. If you said, yes, I wanted to run something by you, so what do you think about this design or this concept? Then that's exactly right. So run something by you, get your opinion or get your thoughts on something. Okay? All right, so good job everyone. Let's move on to this week's expression, which is off the bat. Now this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so Taro and I, we are scheduling, we are planning some very important budget meetings, okay? So I asked Taro, when should the other managers join the budget meetings? Now or later, or maybe they shouldn't join? Taro says, well, actually they should join from start, from the beginning of something, right? Okay, yes, I agree. It's important to share this information quickly as soon as possible. So from start, this is okay, but that's right. If it's more natural, it would be they should join off the bat, okay? So whenever something happens immediately or at the beginning or at the start of some process or procedure, it's off the bat, okay? So for example, when you meet someone for business, you should shake their hand and introduce yourself right off the bat. Okay? All right, so pronunciation, everyone. So please repeat after me. Off the bat. Off the bat. Your turn. Right. Now, notice when you say it quickly, the T almost sounds like it gets cut. It's off the bat. Off the bat. So if you can try to pronounce the T off the bat, but it's difficult to say quickly, okay? So they should join off the bat. Your turn, one more time. Okay, that's right. So please remember this for next time. All right, let's practice it one more time with my question. So when should the other managers join the budget meetings? They should join off the bat. Okay. All right, everyone. So our bonus question this week is another way to say, please know. So I'm trying to inform you of something. We will not have our staff meeting this week. All right, so if you know a better way of saying this, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you don't know, but you want to find out, well, we have it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time, but I will give you a hint. Very simple. A better way of saying this is 3 letters. 3 letters, okay? See if you can remember. Okay, so that is it for us this week, everyone. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.